Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday, August 1st, if you can believe that. I know I haven't done a video in quite a long time, but I've been taking some vacations with the family and kind of taking it easier a little bit here in the month of July. August is going to be the same way, so it's going to be sporadic. But here we are. I am long the E-Mini S&Ps from about 62 here. Looking for a bounce here at the end of the day. We'll see if we get it. We kind of sold off today right up in here, consolidated. Unfortunately, I was busy doing some other things and trading the bonds, was not able to trade the S&Ps, but here I'm coming in at the end of the day, looking for some type of rally to the upside, okay? And we'll see what we get. I did want to remind everybody that Wednesday at 1 o'clock and Thursday at 5 o'clock, I'm going to be doing a webinar showing you exactly how I trade algorithmically. It's going to be a great webinar. It's basically trading like a hedge fund in less than 30 minutes a day is what I'm naming it. Earning 38 to 52% returns a year. Not spending too much time. I'm going to show you exactly how I've derived and have come up with a few trading systems. And I'm going to show you all of that on Wednesday and Thursday. So I hope to see you there. Let's just see if we get more of a pop to the upside here. Let's see. I am looking for the market to at least retest the 63 3/4, preferably maybe a little higher, 65.5. We'll see if we're able to get that. All right. So let's just see if we get a movement to the upside. If we are not able to get, here, let me just do something real quick here. I'm going to measure from this high to this low down. See if we can at least pop our heads up to 62 3/4. If we can close above this 62 3/4, if we can close above this level, then I would be looking for the bigger move to at least this 50 right in here. All right. Hope everyone's summer's been going phenomenal. This summer is flying by. I still can't believe we're in August. The kids will be heading back to school in about 4 weeks, and it's just been a very hot summer here in Michigan, and looking forward to the fall. But still, we have a solid month left to the summer to enjoy. So hopefully everyone's enjoying it. We should have some real interesting trading here in the fall, starting in September. But again, I wanted to do a webinar to show everybody exactly how I'm trading pretty large sums of money. Pretty mechanically, algorithmically, I've got rules. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And I think you'll come away a lot more knowledgeable how to set up. This is perfect for IRA accounts. To grow into retirement. So, and this is what I'm doing. So again, Wednesday at 1 o'clock and Thursday at 5 o'clock, and they will be recorded, but register so you at least get the recording if you can't make it live. All right, let's just see what we get here. We're going to probably back and fill it a little bit, try to probably retest. We'll see. All right, we've hit 62 3/4 right up in here. We were not able to close above that. Kind of dinking around here. We'll see if we can come up through 62 3/4. If not, we'll see. Again, what time is it? It is 3:36. So we've got well over a half hour left to see a move. How big of a move? Again, I don't know. The internals aren't really showing us a big directionally. They're not slanted in one direction. There's not a big bias to the upside or the downside today. Kind of a two-sided market, even though we did get quite a sell-off this morning. Right up in here, and then we've just been pretty much sideways here. So we'll see what we. All right, here we go. So now we're up through 62 3/4 to 63 even. We have not closed yet. Okay, we closed on the high of that bar, and if you take a real close look to this 3-minute bar, we've got an outside bar, right? The high took out the prior bar's high, the low took out the prior bar's low, closed on the high. Let's see if we can get follow through. Okay, I really need to see that round number of 2163 broken to the upside. Really need to see that broken to the upside on this bar. If we can't, and if the next, if in the, okay, here we go. So we just broke it. So let's just see if we run a little bit here. right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take one off. Again, trade very, very small, and the reason for that is to show those of you that trade, you know, that have small accounts and trade onesies and twosies, you don't need a lot of money to make money on a consistent basis, okay? So I'm going to look to take one off at 62 3/4 and see if we can come back up and retest this high right up in here.
Order filled.
All right, so let's just see if we can continue moving higher. So we're locked in $50, not a lot. Let's see if we can continue moving higher. All right, so made a full point on one. We've got one left. At the very least, this will be a break even, lock in some money. Well, let's see if we can move higher. Here we go. Getting a little run up here. Let's see if we can continue it. All right, so we have reached a high of 63.5. Can be paid. All right, want to see where this bar closes. Again, we're at about a 50% retracement from just this last swing to the downside. Here, let's just, right, from this high here to this low, we're at the 50. So again, we just measured, remember this is the high of the day. So we've measured from this high to this low, we're at the 50 marker there. And we want to see how far we can run. All right. Okay, so we've taken 1 point out, we're getting a run now. Getting a little bit more volatile, as you can see. You can see the range of this bar from high to low. It's much larger than any of these bars to the upside, so that have moved rather from this low to this high. So we have run up to 64.25. Let's go ahead and place, let's see if we can get 60. I'm just going to wait for this bar to close. I'm going to wait for the first minute of the next bar before I do anything. All right, the question is, can we break through 64.25 now? Can we break through this high? If we can break through this high, then I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to below 63. Okay, we just broke it, so I'm actually going to go up to 63. So sell stop at 63. I know what's a round number. Look at this market. 64 3/4 now. So again, trading 1 to 2 lots on the E-Mini S&Ps, you don't need any more than $4,000 to $5,000 to do that, right? So if you had $5,000 and you were to close this trade out right now, you make $225 on the $5,000, right? So let's go, I'm going to go up to 63.25 actually. I'm going to go 63.25, sell stop. Right there. Right at the low of this bar. If we come back down to this low on this bar, I don't want it anyways. So we're locking in now. Money. Okay? And watch this very closely. So the highest we've been able to go, we've moved up to 64.75. Remember, we bought this at 61.75. Look at this. An Apple is hitting 106 right now. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And 1, 2, 3, 5 trading days ago, we were down at 96.5. 106, 105.98 high Apple. Bought that the day before earnings too, so I'm doing pretty well there. And again, swing trading is where you want to be to trade a majority of your money, right? You want to treat the day trading as a, you know, daily cash flow, right? But the bulk of your money, like in retirement, you should be trading pretty mechanical swing trading systems, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you on Wednesday and Thursday. So I'm real excited. So let's see here. Still long this trade. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to leave it at 63.25 right now. I'm going to wait for this bar to close. And then I'm going to wait for like the first minute of the following bar to see if I trail it more. All right, so let's see.
Order filled.
All right, so taken out of that trade at the 63 1/4. So, okay. So what do we do? We locked in, okay, we made $125 on that trade, okay? So we took a point on the first and a point and a half on the second. Ran all the way up to here, though, looking for maybe a bigger move, so we were trying to trail it and got stopped out. So not bad, $125. So I'll be back with you tomorrow. Hope to see you on Wednesday, but I will definitely be back with you tomorrow with another video showing you some of the swing trades that I'm in as well, okay? Bye now.